I'm Robert Lenny, the inventor of EasyOn Gutter Guard. It installs on any type of gutter and any type of roof. You have two types of installation methods to choose from. You can tape it on with a super strength, double-sided adhesive foam tape, or don't tape it on. You can just screw it on with the supplied self-tapping screws. And there's no need for pre-drilling the holes. These self-tapping screws go through EasyOn and your gutter like a hot knife through butter. These are install video clips from EasyOnGutterGuard.com showing you how to install on many roof types. Visit EasyOnGutterGuard.com to watch the video that caters to your type of gutter and roof. If your roof type requires that you bend the back of the mesh so it fits, well, that's easy too. Just slide EasyOn between two boards and clamp them down, then just bend the mesh with your hands to the desired angle you need.
This stuff is absolutely awesome. I got it on my house and I got it on my garage out there. And my garage is 36 by 36. I'm glad I found this product. It's amazing, absolutely amazing. So when the water comes off the roof, it cascades down, hits here, and it never gets out in this area because it's such a rapid fall. And that's what the beauty of this new gutter guard is. And then when you look over here, this tape, you take and pull the tape. Once you get it installed, is they use on the trim on automobiles. So if 80 miles an hour won't blow the trim off a car, I guess 80 mile an hour winds won't blow this gutter guard off either.
Very impressive, very impressive. No more gutter cleaning.
If you ever find it necessary to clean off areas of the mesh, especially on inside miners during heavy downpours, you can just brush that debris off.